Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this little simple easy makeup look using this palette that I got from Ulta called Truly Madly Deeply Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette. It's by ColourPop. I already have moisturizer on, so I'm going to go in with NYX Angel Veil. This is their primer. This color as my base. And just going to set that all over my lid, and then I'm going to go in with another brush and blend it all in. Blend, honey. Next, I'm going to go in with this other darker color and set that right on top. I'm going to blend that in as well. I am not an eyeshadow type of girl. Usually my go-to is like using my contour as a little eyeshadow color. Next, I'm gonna go in my Fenty Beauty Stalk'r Instant Warm Bronzer. I believe this is in the color Island Ting. And I'm just gonna use that outer corner, I guess. And blend that in. Just keep blending. Gotta keep blending. Next, I'm going with this little shimmery color and lay that on top of my lid in the middle. I was going for like a simple glam look, so I'm really just freestyling it. Just decided I wanted to play in makeup today. So here we are. I actually haven't done a full face in like months, you guys. My go-to has been like concealer, lashes, and lip gloss, and that's it. Maybe a little bit of bronzer sometimes. For the most part, it's just been concealer. But y'all see those edges, those baby hairs? They are laid, honey. They are laid, okay? And then I went back with the Fenty Beauty bronzer after I added the shimmer. Next, I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer because I guess I forgot that I already had some on. I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline foundation. I've been using this one in my other videos if you guys watched those. If you guys seen those videos. Then just gonna apply dot all over my face. And blend it all in. Gonna beat that face. If you guys see me periodically looking over to the side, I'm trying to make sure that I'm still recording because sometimes it will stop and I don't notice, and that really is like something that pisses me off. Next, I'm gonna go with my concealer. This is from Maybelline as well, and it's their Super Stay Concealer. And here I was bumping to some Killawatt, so Killawatt's music just made me feel like a whole bad gal vibe, okay? And I'm just going to set that concealer in. I was looking like that because I thought I was looking a little bit too white. Next, I'm going to go with my Fenty Beauty. This is their setting powder, but in the color Banana. And now for eyebrows, but I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, so I'll be right back. And I applied my lashes as well off camera. And I'm going to go ahead with this NYX lip liner. It's in the color Brown. But I had lip gloss on, so it was kind of not a little difficult to show. But we made it work. And then next, I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty lipstick in the color, this is their matte lipstick actually, in the color Wifey. Bump to a little bit of music, okay? Next, Almost forgot to add my Fenty Beauty highlight. Pop on a little bit of earrings. And bam. Okay. Now, excuse my hair. I've been working out all week, so I did not feel like messing with it. So I just threw on this little scarf. Not this scarf. Headband to make it look a little cute. Y'all, TikTok has me learning so many new dances. And every time that song comes on, I just jump right into doing the TikTok dance. As you can see here. And thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.